thing in Madhurya Dham Vrindavan, everything is dripping with Madhurya sweetness, Madhurya ras. So anything and anyone that comes into Vrindavan, they get saturated and drowned in the Madhurya ras. The trees are Madhurya ras, the ground is Madhurya ras, the deer, the birds, the swans, the cows, the cowherd boys, everyone is assisting the Madhurya ras, or knowingly or unknowingly, or tasting the Madhurya ras, or directly experiencing it, especially the trees and the animals. There's no restrictions for them. So they get lavishly showered with the sweetness of Radha and Krishna's prema. So here, of course, this is another nature of Mahabhav, because the Manjaris, Radharani and the Manjaris and Sakhis, when they are in this Mahabhav, Divyonmad Mahabhav, one of the symptoms of Mahabhav is to see your feelings, you project your feelings into others, not only into other people, even into other animals and trees. So you're in a madness of love, and you're running everywhere in viraha, separation. Krishna kaha, where's my Krishna, where's my Krishna? Then you see the deer running. The deer are always running here and there. Oh, deer, you're also missing Krishna? You're also searching for the sound of his flute like us? Oh, dear, don't cry. Oh, I see there's some tears in your eyes, because they always have a little bit of moisture in their eyes. Are you crying in separation from Krishna like us? So this is called Divyonmad. Divya, transcendental, unmad, madness. Unmata. Mata means madness, and un means uttam. Uttam mata, or unmad, means highest pitch of madness. Absolute crazy. Total crazy. But transcendental. Divya. Divyan, divya unmad. So that's the state of consciousness that you see your mood in others. So